Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much, I appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out with me this week on my week off. And even though these aren't really work videos, but anyways, next week I'll have to think of something else, like I said, drawing videos or whatever, because I'm still going to be not at my company, so I will be, sorry, there's some weird noise in the background. Anyways, I'm going to be working at the other company, so I won't be, they don't want like videos or pictures or whatever, I guess. So anyways, I'll try to draw some videos of explaining what I'm doing. If not, then I'll just keep making other videos like this. But today I want to go over some of my favorite tools as an electrician. I was going to go over another video, but I decided to pick this one just because. But so these are some of my favorite tools right here, and I'll explain what these do if you don't know, if you're new to the electrical field or whatnot. So basically this is just one of my first tools, so it has a lot of sentimental value, but basically it's just a multi-tool, and you change the tips out. So if you take the bit out or whatever right here, it is a nut driver, but it doesn't really work anymore. It's kind of stripped out, I think. So anyways, I have a bunch of extra tips for these, so these don't really come part of it. These are the Allen set, but basically the bottom right here pulls out, and then you have all these tips to choose from. Double-sided, so that's pretty sweet. So anyways, my coworker, the first company I was working for, my coworker bought this for me. There was like a Platt tool sale, and basically I got this and a pair of strippers for like $2 or something, so each tool was like $1. So he didn't spend much on me, but it was nice that my coworker bought it for me, and it was just super awesome, and I appreciated it a lot, and it meant a lot, still does. So that one's kind of I guess biased a little bit. And then these two right here, these are just super cute, and these are useful when they're needed. I don't really carry them on me, but actually I kind of leave them home, but they are nice, like if you needed a second pair of channel locks. They're nice to just keep in there. They fit together, but when you pull them out, they kind of come out with the other pair, so you try not to drop them or whatever. But it's nice if you just need a second pair of grips to grip onto something like a lock nut or whatnot, or just if you're doing like a connector that has that you have to grip in two different places or whatnot. So that's nice, and they're just super cute. They were still expensive though. And then also the stubby screwdriver, which also comes in handy for when you're working on like can lights and stuff like that. I left this in my tool belt, and it got wet or whatever when I got rained on, so that got rusted out a little bit, which is unfortunate. So anyways, just super handy and super cute as well, and good quality as well. Klein, so it's just like a super miniature version, which is sweet. So that's nice. And then also just like the I don't even know what you call these anymore, but basically it's just a box wrench or something like that, and it has the 4 different sizes here. So this is the 1/2 inch, 3/8, 7/16, and 5/16. So basically you got 4 different sizes here if you want to tighten bolts or whatnot. And then there's also a bigger set, but just super handy if you're like working in tight spaces or whatnot. Haven't used these in a while because I don't really carry them either, but they are handy when they are needed. So, and they just feel good in your hand, and also this feels good in your hand, just like one piece of aluminum or whatnot. I just love these. Like, I used to have a brand new one in my closet, which was actually this one before I returned my older one because it got out of whack or whatever. So anyways, just like keeping this in the closet and just like feeling it, it was just nice. And that's kind of weird, but anyways, it's just a super nice piece of equipment, and you also pay for that with the price. But anyways, I just love these, and they're super useful, and they look good as well. And then I'm also a big sucker of the glow in the dark, but mainly just because it makes me happy, but not the this is actually kind of rusted shut right now because this also got wet. But anyways, I do like these. They're just not my favorite. So like if you compare these, this has the angled head, which I'm a big fan of. So dikes are also one of my first tools that I bought. This is actually the first pair that I got. I have a few pairs now, but anyways, I do like the angled head a lot better, and it's just one of the daily use tools that you use as an electrician. They just feel good in your hand, and so many different uses. like pulling staples or using it as an extension of your hammer or whatnot, just cutting stuff. So anyways, I do like these better, but I like the glow in the dark feature, but unfortunately they don't have them in the angled head. And this screwdriver here, kind of the grip of it kind of twists because it doesn't really stay to the screwdriver, which is unfortunate. So anyways, this is one of my favorites right there. And then also you got your hot stick right here. Basically tells you if something is live or not. So basically helps you save your life and not get hurt. So I just got a brand new one of those. And then also the beater screwdriver, because basically it just keeps on going and it's helpful in so many different situations. So also acts as a screwdriver when it's not broken. And yeah, there's just so many uses for it. And then one thing to make your life a lot easier and cut down on hand pain and stuff like that is the wire nut driver, I guess you'd call it, or wire nut twister for your drill. Basically twist wire nuts for you. Just don't go crazy on it because they'll take the wires right through the end of the wire nut. But this will definitely help you out if you're just doing a lot of trimming and stuff, makeup work. It'll definitely save you a lot of hand cramps. So that's one of my favorites. And then I guess this another little one, another little tool, just for the kind of like low voltage stuff, like I don't know exactly, like fire alarm stuff and stuff like that. But so this is nice and super useful. And it's kind of like the tool over here where you got your different tips. It's like a 11-in-1 sort of, but just not as many. So that side comes out, and then this side comes out and flips over as well. So that's nice. Do like that. And then this will also save you a lot of time if you're using a whole hog or anything like that. Just a chuck, so you don't have to like beat it with a hammer or screwdriver or whatnot. This will actually be the right tool for the job. Basically just to tighten and loosen your drill bits or whatnot that you're putting into the whole hog. So that's nice. And then lastly, the MC stripper right here. This is a nice version. Basically just put your wire in here, your MC, the metal sheathing wire. Just push down on this and it grabs the wire, and then you just twist this, and then it has a little blade in here, like I don't know what you call it, not scissors or whatnot, but basically it just grinds the sheathing a little bit, makes a little slit in it to break the sheathing, and then you just pull it apart, and it's super helpful instead of just trying to use your dikes and trying to and accidentally maybe damaging the wire or cutting the wire. And it just saves a lot of time. It's a cleaner cut. And yeah, so anyways, these are some of my favorite tools. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and try to get some more interesting videos next week, and hopefully we'll be back on track for some more regular work videos here shortly. And anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed, and subscribe. Love to see you guys back here next week. And also got to get out some more Corvette videos soon. I guess didn't get around to that this week. Just been enjoying myself too much. And yep, check out the description for social medias, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload live, when I do live streams or upload videos. So that'll do it, guys. Thanks so much. God bless. Peace out. See you soon.